Does Land Rover Roadside Assistance cover tire changes? If you own a Land Rover and find yourself wondering about tire changes, you are in the right spot. Let's break down what Land Rover Roadside Assistance offers regarding this service. First off, yes, Land Rover Roadside Assistance does cover tire changes, specifically for flat tires. This service is included in the support provided to Land Rover owners under the new Vehicle Limited Warranty and Certified Pre-Owned programs. So, what happens if you get a flat tire? When you experience this issue, Land Rover Roadside Assistance is there to help you change the tire or assist you right at the roadside. This service operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, anywhere in the United States. That means whether you are on a busy highway or a quiet back road, help is just a call away. In addition to tire changes, this roadside assistance program covers other common issues. If you run out of fuel, need a battery jumpstart, or accidentally lock your keys inside your vehicle, Land Rover Roadside Assistance has you covered. They can also tow your vehicle to the nearest Land Rover retailer or authorized service center if needed. Now, let's look at how this ties into auto insurance. Manufacturer-provided roadside assistance can complement your typical auto insurance policy. For instance, if you use Land Rover Roadside Assistance for a tire change, you won't need to file a claim with your insurance. This can help you avoid potential impacts on your insurance premiums or deductibles. Another benefit is that you have direct access to Land Rover trained technicians. This can be particularly helpful for maintaining the care standards of your vehicle. They know your Land Rover inside and out, ensuring that any service provided meets the manufacturer's guidelines. In summary, Land Rover Roadside Assistance does indeed cover tire changes as part of its flat tire assistance service. This support offers convenient, manufacturer-backed help that aligns well with the peace of mind that auto insurance aims to provide. So, if you ever find yourself in need, remember that Land Rover has your back when it comes to tire troubles.